Hey friends, time for a little kettlebell play. So here's the pattern. We're going to start from in front of 1 foot, clean it. So we're going to do a diagonal clean. Then we're going to rotate, put the kettlebell on the shoulder, and from the shoulder, press it up, bring it back down, ground it, start the other direction. So this is what it's going to look like. So we're here, 1, 2, then onto the shoulder, turn, press, bring it down, and 1, 2. 1, 2, up, and up. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Let's get to it. 1, 2, onto the shoulder, press it up, bring it down, 1, 2. 1, 2, up, onto the shoulder, press it up, down, 1, 2. 1, 2, shoulder, press, bring it down, last one. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple from the side so you can get a sense of what it looks like. Put your KB in front of the left foot, for example. 1, 2. Got your basic lateral clean. Then put it up into the shoulder and rotate and press it up. Back to the shoulder, bring it down, boom. So now you're at the opposite leg. Take it, 1, 2, clean, onto the shoulder, turn, press, bring it down, 1, 2, and repeat. So the key is, remember, on any of these, once you've watched it one time through, put it on half speed and then get a better sense of the refinement of the move. Then go ahead and practice it. All right, so let's do a little bonus training here. After watching the video, I see there might be a few refinements that you might not pick up just from watching us. So, first off, we're starting from opposite leg. So we want to get a 1, 2, 3. So here's our first part. All right, so I think that's pretty obvious. The next part that is important is actually going to set the butt of your kettlebell right up on your shoulder. So what you're going to do is lift this hand up. So it's actually resting, and you can see I'm just keeping it from falling either way, but it's just resting on my shoulder. So from that, I turn. Now I've got my foundation. I want to firm up the back leg and press right on through. So I've got my myofascial spiral line activated here. And then back down to my shoulder, and then swing it down, boom, and you're ready to rock and roll. So actually I put it in the wrong leg. Here. So let's look at it one more time. So from here, we have a 1, 2, clean. Lift it onto your shoulder. Turn, press it off the shoulder, lower it back down to the shoulder, come back, sweep, boom. So getting that up onto the shoulder, you can actually just practice this as a movement. It's a good movement. And then turn, rear leg strong, press it right on up. So you can actually, while you're in this press, come around to the side, Marty. So when you're in this press, you can take it, push out of shoulder pack and lower the shoulder down. Out of shoulder pack, lower it back down. Out of shoulder pack and down. Then back down to the shoulder. Lift off just a little bit. Just a little bit. Then all the way press up. Back to the shoulder. So those are a few little clues for you that you can do. The main thing is take your time with it, use a light enough kettlebell so that you're safe doing it. As you're learning it, training your neurology, then go heavier once you've got it nailed.